let's do this. Inside, and here's a label on it, so you can see. And there's a British chicken rice, I think. And there's one is beef dripping, and there's a dozen of cheese. And then there's mozzarella. There's this, and a butter. And there's a backbone drink, and there's the salted, and there's the butter, and there's another bowl, and there's a marmalade. And there's a chicken. That's also mixed up, and there's tomato and all kind of stuff. The test is finished. Inside, and I'm just gonna have to pestle you like this touching thing. LED. Down here, this. There's a Rose Bakery. There's a for ice packs. There's another bread, and there's a bag, and there's cheese in here. Sausages. And these chicken steaks, chicken livers, and burger. Super Feast Extra Centers. Move on to here. They got and ice creams, mushroom, there's cow, pear, fish, chicken, another man, grapes, and all sort of kind of stuff. Bread, cheese, another dessert, avocado, jar, cake, chicken, and some carrots. And there's a label on that. See, we should see all these numbers on here. But yeah, and we'll see you in next video.